tell this dude that world started gonna be cold, it's gonna go viral.
I don't care about going viral at this point, bro. I'm not getting world star tatted on my head, bro. Alright, bro.
Man, you already know what the fuck it is, nigga. Feel me? If you ain't with a nigga, get the fuck out the way. Might get ran over. Hey, I got more money than a little bit. Every nigga in my section know that I was hood rich. Dirty money, had to clean it, got into investments. Fucking with my little cub, taught me about finessing. Credit card, bandit reparations, what I'm scamming. Penny got potential, so I turned her to a Janet. Every lit like pussy, once I hit it, I be in and out. Had to tell this messy bitch, keep my name up out her mouth. Now it makes sense why this bitch got a dirty house. Lean got me bent to the point I'm about to pass out. I ain't about to rent it when I know that I can cash out. Taking pictures with your girl, the only time you flash out. All I see is blue notes, like GPS to cash route. Always had your niggas back, my partners call me Mr. Spleen. I ball and I shine everywhere I go like Mr. Clean. Walking in my sleep, cause to me my life is like a dream. Chrome heart, trucker hat, V-long shirt to match. 5 bands on my jeans, I be really blowing racks. Back and forth, you a swear to God, this was a tennis match. I'm a pit in the kitchen making dog food from scratch. Clientele, Metro booming, had to switch my operation. I know that them people looking every nigga trying to snake me. Last nigga try to cross me, Jesus Christ couldn't even save him. Started from the bottom, now we renting out the top floor. I'm praying with 100, I can't help it, but I want more. It's the 4th quarter, but my starter's still in the game. Blowing out the opposition, yeah, we doing numbers, boy. You don't wanna see the score. I'm the type to never make you wanna play with me no more. If you tryna take my life, bullets eating through your flesh, I call my gun a carnivore. Never been a pussy, cause I feel nigga in my pores. I'm a man first, pop a bell, bringing home the porch. And I know she down to ride, even if I push the Buick. In my younger days, posted on the block like Patrick Ewing, tryna duck them cops, but a nigga always end up losing. Had to put that bag down, that legal shit what I'm pursuing. Chrome heart, trucker hat, V-long shirt to match. 5 bands on my jeans, I be really blowing racks. Back and forth, you a swear to God, this was a tennis match. I'm a pit in the kitchen making dog food from scratch.